Okay, great. Hi. And I remember doing this in class and thinking, because of the way the booklet was worked, the theory example 4 is actually on the next page. But I think it's good that you have a go at it because it helps you see how much of you really remember how to deal with premium, um, at least premium. So I'm not gonna, I think it's again, like I think you should go through it. I think I'll just talk through it very quickly. And it says that on the 1st of June, Della bought an investment property and immediately let it out under a 10-year lease. So she will get some. Um, she's going to get. It says she's granted it at 18 and at an initial premium of 45,000. So she is going to get, if you like, some money. So some of this is income, and some of this is capital. What you're interested in is what's the income bit. Again, to highlight the key point here is she would love to capitalize all of this or treat all this as a capital gain. And the tax, if you like, on capital is much less than the tax on income. But no, the government are like, no, split it up. So have a look, see if you remember how to split this up. And then, of course, there's the annual rent, which is just what it is, property income anyway. And it says she pays us quarterly in advance. All rentals are accrued anyway. So we just need to find out, well, what is the rent from the 1st of June 2017 all the way to the 31st of December, which is 7 months. So if it's an annual rent of 18 months, of 18,000, we need 7 of that. What's going on? So that's what you're doing there. So work that out. Of course, read the theory, but I think this is a good way to revise, see what you remember of how to deal with leases. Now, the irony here is that this is for the individual. If you're doing a question on, this is for the landlord. If you're doing a question on the tenant would not be paying, if you like, cannot put through a full expense of this income. This is over the lease period, isn't it? So what you have to do is divide this figure you get here by 10 years because the accruals concept requires that he only puts through, if you like, a yearly expense, doesn't it? But the tenant is receiving all the income that year, so he is obliged to record or pay tax on all of it immediately. Okay, great stuff. So I'll end that video there. That's example 4. Like I said, the theory is below. See if you want to do that, that's great. But otherwise, that's the end of that. We'll end that video. Let's see. I think so. Yes. Yes, we'll end that video there.